How to make friends. Making friends involves building connections with others based on shared interests, values, and experiences. Here are some steps to help you make friends. Be approachable. Approachability is key to making friends. Smile, make eye contact, and have an open and friendly demeanor. Avoid appearing aloof or unfriendly. Join groups and communities. Find groups or communities that align with your interests, hobbies, or passions. This could be a club, sports team, volunteering organization, or online forum. Attend social events. Attend social events, gatherings, and parties where you can meet new people. Don't be afraid to strike up conversations with others who are there. Be a good listener. When talking to people, listen actively to what they are saying. Show genuine interest in their stories and opinions. This helps build rapport. Initiate conversations. Don't wait for others to approach you. Take the initiative to start conversations. A simple hello or a compliment can be a good icebreaker. Share about yourself. Share your own thoughts, experiences, and interests. This helps others get to know you better and find common ground. Ask questions. Ask open-ended questions to get to know people on a deeper level. Questions like, "What do you like to do for fun?" or "What's your favorite book, movie?" can lead to meaningful conversations. Be respectful and kind. Treat others with respect and kindness. Avoid negative behaviors like gossiping, complaining, or being judgmental. Follow up. If you meet someone you click with, follow up with them. Exchange contact information or make plans to meet again. Friendships require nurturing and effort. Be patient. Building friendships takes time. Don't get discouraged if it doesn't happen overnight. Keep putting yourself out there and meeting new people. Online and social media. Utilize social media and online platforms to connect with people who share your interests. Join online communities, forums, or social networking groups related to your hobbies. Attend workshops and classes. Enroll in classes or workshops that interest you. This is a great way to meet people who share your passions and can lead to friendships. Volunteer. Volunteering for a cause you care about can not only make you feel good but also introduce you to like-minded individuals. Maintain existing friendships. Don't forget about your current friends. Nurture and maintain your existing relationships, as they can introduce you to new people. Be yourself. Authenticity is crucial in forming lasting friendships. Be true to yourself and let people get to know the real you. Remember that not every interaction will result in a friendship, and that's okay. Building meaningful friendships can take time and effort, so don't be discouraged by setbacks. Keep making an effort to connect with people, and over time, you'll likely find friends who share your interests and values. For more videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.